how to fix Valorant this error. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just type here fun, click on it, click here, type here services.msc, and then click OK. And after that, just scroll down here, and here we'll find VGC. Right click on VGC, go to properties, make it automatic, click apply, and then stop, and OK, and that's it. Close this window. Now open task manager, right click here if you want to open task manager, click task manager, and then now just go to memory. Now just close all the applications. If you find here any applications that is related to Valorant, just close it, like Vanguard icon or Riot Games or something like that, and that's it. If you can't find it, then just close this window and type here Windows update settings, and then check for updates and install all the updates that you can find here, and that's it. After that, just run Valorant as an administrator, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.